What up, grubbers and food lovers? Welcome to We Grubbin, a show about food, and if you love food, you are in the right place. Today we're gonna be making something delicious because Valentine's Day is around the corner and we need chocolate, some s'mores dip. Yes, that's right, I said Valentine's Day is around the corner, so we need more love. We need more chocolate running through our veins. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So in this recipe, we're gonna be making a s'mores dip. It's very, very sexy, very, very amore. All right, that's not funny. This recipe is perfect after a romantic dinner, you know, like a date, whatever. It's really cool. You can share it with friends too. It doesn't have to be romantic all the time. So let's get started with this recipe. All right, the first thing we're doing is we're gonna get some chocolate. I have 1 cup or 170 grams of milk chocolate chips. Yes, sir. All right, now we need a half a cup or 118 milliliters of heavy cream. Heavy cream is gonna make this sauce nice and thick and gooey and creamy. All right, now we need 1/4 cup of your favorite nuts. All right, you're gonna put these in there. You can use walnuts, pecans, whatever you want. And then you're gonna put all this at your stove at medium heat and mix, 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 mix. Don't walk away now until all this melts and it looks like this. All right, we're gonna put this over here inside a oven safe dish. All right, pour that baby. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, look at that. And then you're gonna put Michelin's kids. Hey man, those are my kids, man. What are you doing, man? Leave my kids alone. And then if one falls off, don't worry. Just grab them, all right? Run away. You know, take them down the stairs to your neighbor's house, turn around and boom! Look at that. LeBron ain't got nothing on this, baby. Look at that. Woo, bam! Now you're gonna put it at a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes until it looks like this. Woo, nice and purty. Oh, you forgot to put Michelin kids some sunblock? Don't cry, babies, don't cry. Now you're gonna get some graham crackers and then just dip. This is a perfect party snack, perfect if you wanna have that date. Alright, you know what I'm saying? And then bite it and look at that. Oh yeah, baby. If you guys like this s'mores dip, make sure you give it a thumbs up, put it on your favorites, put it on your Facebook, Twitter, put it everywhere. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see weekly videos, all right, every Tuesday, yes, Tuesday. Oh, if you guys wanna watch our pizza dip, go click down here. And then if you wanna watch the buffalo strips, go click over there. Oh, it's so good. That's it for today, and to all you food junkies, peace.